What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video where today we are going to be making some chain. So I have made chain before. This is 7 links, but I have made a couple fatal errors. My welds aren't the best. I did this while in my class, but today for my homework we are going to be making some more chains, and actually I am partially done. So what you usually have to do with chain is you'll start off with some round stock, and what you'll do is you'll bend it on the horn of the anvil, get that bug off, and you'll bend it on the horn of the anvil until they're in line with each other. So there's many different ways of doing that, and then you have to scoff the ends of the chain. So basically what scoff means, or scoffing, something like that, I don't really know the terminology, is where you have it on the anvil like here, like a little bit of the corner off, and you're like, that's a better way to put it, like right there, and you hammer on it until you make this little drop down, which is called a scoff. And that's supposed to make the bonding easier when with this stuff. This is borax glass flux, which what flux does is basically you get scales from forging, from when the metal and the air oxidize and makes scales. What this does is that reduces, number one, it reduces the amount of scales you have, because this borax loves to eat up all that oxygen. And also, the glass likes to shoot out all of the scales, so it won't stop your metal from bonding. So super key here, but it does make it a little bit more messy, but it's I kind of like the more messy looking chain anyways. So yeah, we are going to be doing a 3-link chain because I have that amount here from last time. Also, if you guys wanted to check it out, this is just my spoon, which is going to be used for flux. This is the hammer eye punch that we made last time. It still needs to be sanded and stuff. It's not finished yet, but hey, it looks pretty dang good. This is just from a ball peen hammer. So I think what I'm gonna do actually is cut like right here with the angle grinder, then make the point, and then we can sand it off. It's super, like, I'm actually very proud on how straight it is and how even it is, so I'm very proud of this. So by looking at some of these chains, this one's good, this one's good, this one's good, this one still needs to be scoffed, and this one actually pretty bad, but then it's relatively good. Or we can just make 3. We could actually make 4 now that I'm looking at it, but this one's pretty bad, so we might just be able to make 3 links today. Alrighty, let's light up the forge. We'll see how well I do, and yeah, we'll see. The hell? See what I mean? So it's closer. Now the only thing I am missing from this is a brush. It's usually, or at least a nice brush, because usually you want a very nice brush to be able to wipe off the scale and also the some of the old flux. You can reflux it. So we'll see what happens, to be honest. Alright, we're gonna chuck in. What's a good starting one? I think this is a good starting one. These are the best tongs I think I got. So. That's like not hot at all. Okay, hold up. Alrighty, well, I got the forge cleaned up. Like, the burners are being all finicky, but I think we got it all cleaned up. It's already ready, dude. I think I need to turn down the PSI though. So this is what we need to do. First, we need to match these. Let's see if I can get a better grip. Match these scops off with each other. This. Safety glasses, fellas. Better on there, because we want these shoulders to be basically folded like that. We don't want the thin pieces on top of each other, we want the shoulders hitting each other. Might be too cold now. Too cold. There we go, the forge is nice and hot once again. Want to get this forge nice and hot, so we're gonna probably stick this in deep, flex it up, and I think that one's ready. This is my first ever forge welding at home, so bear with me. I'm gonna open the forge doors. That sucker in there deep. Back in the forge, and nice and hot. Very hot, grab it out. That is hot. Oh, it's really hot. So evenly. 3, 2, 1. Too bad. Let's flux it up real quick again. that was so dumb. I saw it literally coming from a mile away. Oh, that annoys me so much. I mean, I'm glad it's a big bucket, but it just is gonna annoy me forever that I dropped it, and like, it could have lasted me longer. But anyway, let's see if we can grab this sucker out. 3, 2, 1. That looks pretty good. I think I'll do one more just because, why not? She looks good. Get actual good grip on this. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Go. I think that's a pretty good weld, but we'll have to let it cool down and we'll test it. Alright, here we go. Let this sucker warm up. Too much. Hold up, where's my other tongs? Here we go. Strength right there. Those shoulders are as close as we're gonna get them. Alrighty, get it nice and hot. We'll flux it, toss it back in the fire, and it falls. And it should be ready. I'm actually doing it this time. Alright, it's ready. What? Alright, 3, 2, 1. Over. Over here. Not bad. Alright, 3, 2, 1. One more. Maybe the dipping strap once again. There we go. I mean, it could be better, but I don't think it's too bad. I think that person was better, but... Alright, now let's test the strength of this one. So, how you test the strength? It's pretty easy, actually. What you do? Grab them. Side like this, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sturdy. It's a good chain link. It felt super firm. Fully link it yet. We're just gonna do like both sides, make them close. Do both sides, close them together, open them up, link the other ones on, then close it back together. That is toasty. Alright, so we're gonna just bend these suckers in. Okay, hold on a minute. Messed up a wee bit. Alright, so now, well, it depends on if we can do this. How cool it is. We should probably warm it back up, but I probably should. Probably could work. Test the strength of this one while we have the time. Alrighty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Those are hot. Dipping in the dirt. That is so hot. Oh man. That, I think, might be though as well. This chain's right now. It's not big. Chains is all over the place. on. That is a very good weld, I think. Woo. There you go. Woo, that was hot. So we're just going to let it cool down, and then we can test how strong it is. I think that is my best weld of the day, or the night, I should say. Woo! And these other ones, they're still very thin, but that was beefy. Well, my camera even overheated, man. It's getting hot. But, did the whatchamacallit chains. I think they might be ready now to test them. I'm gonna turn off the forge. Suckers might now be ready to quench. You ready for this sizzle? Let me show you. 3, 2, 1. Hopefully that didn't break any of my linkages. Stir it around. Is pretty good. There you go. Now we still need to test this one, but those are some freaking chain links right there. Some medieval looking chain links. There we go. All right. So I'm gonna hold these with tongs again. I think this last one actually has been the best weld I've done. So let's see if I'm gonna get this drawn. Let's test. Alrighty, remember, 3 hits. Well, 5 hits, not 3. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a solid chain linkage. I can tell by hitting it. Woo! That is some sturdy chain right there. Pretty proud of it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make chain, or at least how you blacksmith make chain. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please leave a like and subscribe and notifications turned on, if you want to, I guess. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.